Welcome back to Slim Sink Kitchen. I'm so glad you're joining me today because we're about to dive into a cooking adventure that's as fun as it is delicious. Whether you're a seasoned home chef or just starting out, you're in the right place to discover how easy and enjoyable healthy cooking can be. Forget bland diet food. Today, we're making 10 quick, healthy Asian chicken stir-fries that taste incredible and help you burn fat. These aren't your average healthy meals. They're bursting with color, flavor, and texture, so you'll never feel like you're missing out. Each recipe is designed to be both satisfying and nourishing, perfect for busy weeknights or meal prep. We're talking lean chicken, crisp veggies, and bold sauces, all in just 10 minutes. Imagine the sizzle of fresh ingredients hitting a hot wok, the aroma of garlic and ginger filling your kitchen, and the vibrant colors of peppers, broccoli, and snap peas coming together in a single pan. It's fast, it's fresh, and it's full of nutrients your body will love. No more excuses. This is real food, real results. You don't need fancy equipment or hours in the kitchen. Just a few simple ingredients, a little bit of prep, and the willingness to try something new. These stir-fries are proof that healthy eating can be quick, affordable, and absolutely mouth-watering. Each dish is packed with protein, fresh ingredients, and flavor that makes healthy eating exciting. You'll get all the energy you need to power through your day, while enjoying meals that look as good as they taste. Plus, you can mix and match veggies and sauces to keep things interesting every time you cook. Ready? Grab your wok, sharpen your knives, and let's transform your kitchen and your health. Let's get to it. By the end of this episode, you'll have a week's worth of delicious, healthy meals and the confidence to make them again and again. Let's cook up something amazing together. Let's kick things off with a dish that's all about bold flavors and vibrant colors: Thai lemongrass chicken. Imagine a bowl packed with freshness, where every bite is a burst of zesty, aromatic goodness. This isn't just another chicken stir-fry. It's a celebration of clean, wholesome ingredients coming together in perfect harmony. If you're craving something that's both light and deeply satisfying, you're in the right place. Start by taking boneless chicken and slicing it thinly. This helps it cook quickly and soak up all those incredible flavors. Next, marinate the chicken with a generous amount of freshly minced lemongrass, a splash of fish sauce, a squeeze of lime juice, and a hint of chili for that perfect balance of heat and tang. Let it sit for a few minutes so the flavors can really infuse the meat. While the chicken marinates, prep your veggies. Slice up some colorful bell peppers, crisp green beans, and sweet onions. Try to keep the pieces uniform so they cook evenly and look beautiful in the finished dish. These veggies not only add crunch and color, but they also bring a natural sweetness that balances the savory chicken. Heat your wok until it's almost smoking. This is key for that authentic stir-fry flavor. Add a touch of coconut oil for richness. Then toss in the marinated chicken. Sear it quickly, letting the edges caramelize and lock in all those zesty flavors. The aroma at this stage is absolutely mouth-watering. Once the chicken is golden and just cooked through, remove it from the wok. Now, add your prepped veggies. Stir-fry them over high heat until they're just tender, but still have a bit of crunch. This keeps the dish lively and fresh, with every bite offering a different texture. Return the chicken to the wok, and finish everything off with a final squeeze of lime juice, plus a handful of fresh cilantro and mint. These herbs add a cool, fragrant lift that makes the whole dish sing. Turn off the heat to keep those herbs bright and fresh. Plate up your creation. The result? A vibrant, aromatic stir-fry that's as beautiful as it is delicious. The colors pop, the flavors are bold, and the aroma is irresistible. This is what clean eating should look like. No bland, boring meals here. Just a plate full of fresh, wholesome ingredients, expertly balanced for maximum flavor and nutrition. You won't feel deprived for a second. And the best part? The whole dish comes together in under 10 minutes, making it perfect for busy weeknights or whenever you need a quick, healthy meal. This is fast food, redefined, fresh, flavorful, and ready in a flash. Give it a try and taste the difference for yourself. Next up, we're making Japanese teriyaki chicken and broccoli, a dish that's not only clean and balanced, but also incredibly satisfying and guilt-free. The secret to this recipe is a quick, homemade teriyaki sauce. Start by combining low-sodium soy sauce for that deep umami flavor, a splash of mirin for subtle sweetness, freshly grated ginger for a gentle heat, and minced garlic for a punch of aroma. Add a touch of honey for natural sweetness, and whisk in a cornstarch slurry to help the sauce thicken to that perfect glossy consistency. This sauce is the heart of the dish, bringing together sweet, savory, and slimming flavors in every bite. For the veggies, blanch fresh broccoli florets in boiling water just until they turn a vibrant green. This locks in nutrients and keeps the texture crisp tender. Immediately transfer them to an ice bath to stop the cooking and preserve that beautiful color. Next, slice lean chicken breast into bite-sized pieces and season lightly. Sear the chicken in a hot wok with a drizzle of fragrant sesame oil until golden and cooked through, then set aside. In the same pan, stir-fry the blanched broccoli with a little more garlic for extra flavor. Return the chicken to the pan, then pour in your homemade teriyaki sauce. The aroma is irresistible as the sauce bubbles and thickens, coating every piece. Toss everything together until the chicken and broccoli are evenly coated in that shiny, flavorful sauce. The result is a stir-fry that looks as good as it tastes. Plate your teriyaki chicken and broccoli, then finish with a generous sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds and fresh spring onions for crunch and color. You get lean protein, fiber-rich veggies, and a meal that's as nourishing as it is beautiful. The sauce is pure umami, rich, savory, and just the right amount of sweet, tying everything together in a harmonious bite. Every forkful is satisfying, delicious, and keeps you right on track with your healthy goals. This is comfort food you can feel great about enjoying any night of the week. Time for Korean spicy chicken bulgogi, fiery, bold, and light. Marinate chicken in gochujang, grated pear, soy, garlic, ginger, and sesame oil. Stir-fry onions and mushrooms, set aside. Sear marinated chicken until caramelized and charred. Return veggies, toss to coat in spicy sauce. Plate with spring onions and sesame seeds. Deep red, packed with flavor and metabolism boosting. Spicy, savory, and surprisingly light. Done. Vietnamese lime chicken and veggie bowl. Clean, zesty, and energizing. Marinate chicken in lime juice, fish sauce, garlic, and a touch of honey. Stir-fry chicken quickly for caramelization. Serve over crisp greens with raw veggies like carrots, cucumber, and bean sprouts. Add loads of fresh herbs, mint, cilantro, Thai basil. Drizzle with a light lime fish sauce dressing. Top with crushed peanuts. High protein, low carb, and bursting with freshness. Absolutely stunning. Chinese ginger garlic chicken and bok choy. Comfort food? Fast. Marinate thin chicken slices in soy, shaoxing wine, and cornstarch for tenderness. Separate bok choy stems and leaves for perfect texture. Sear chicken, set aside. Stir-fry ginger and garlic, add bok choy stems, then leaves. Splash in soy, wine, chicken stock, and sesame oil. Let it bubble. Return chicken, toss to coat in the light glaze. Serve over brown rice or quinoa for a nourishing meal. Malaysian chicken satay stir-fry. Creamy, nutty, and light. Make a quick peanut sauce with powdered peanut butter, coconut milk, soy, turmeric, cumin, coriander, and chili. Marinate chicken in half the sauce. Stir-fry onions and peppers, set aside. Sear chicken, then return veggies and add remaining sauce. Toss in cucumber batons for crunch. Plate up, creamy, nutty, and secretly lean. Brilliant. Singapore chili chicken, spicy, tangy, and light. Make a sauce with chili garlic paste, tomato paste, rice vinegar, soy, and a touch of honey. Stir-fry chicken, set aside. Cook onions and peppers, add chili paste, then sauce. Return chicken, toss to coat, then drizzle in beaten egg for silky ribbons. Finish with cilantro or spring onions. Spicy, tangy, and incredibly satisfying. Japanese chicken and tofu veggie bowl, double protein, pure comfort. Press and cube tofu, pan fry until golden. Stir-fry chicken, set aside. Cook carrots and shiitake mushrooms. Add dashi broth, soy, mirin, and ginger. Return chicken and tofu, wilt in spinach. Ladle into a bowl. Tender chicken, crispy tofu, and savory broth. High protein, low fat, total comfort. Thai basil chicken, pad krapao gai. Fragrant, spicy, and fat-burning. Minced chicken for quick cooking. Fry garlic and chilies in a hot wok. Add chicken, then a simple sauce of soy, fish sauce, oyster sauce, and water. Toss until sauce clings to every bite. Turn off heat, add a huge handful of holy basil. Let it wilt. Serve over cauliflower rice for a low-carb boost. Top with a crispy fried egg if you like. Fast, fiery, and fantastic for fat loss. Asian fusion veggie and chicken protein bowl, the ultimate power meal. Sear chicken breast, slice after resting. Make a fusion sauce, gochujang, soy, lime, sesame oil. Stir-fry broccoli and mushrooms, prep raw cabbage, carrots, and edamame. Build a bowl with greens, veggies, and sliced chicken. Drizzle with fusion sauce, garnish with sesame seeds and cashews. High protein, low carb, and bursting with flavor. There you have it, 10 lightning-fast, delicious Asian chicken stir-fries. No more boring meals or excuses. Healthy eating is now quick, tasty, and energizing. Try your favorites, make them your own, and feel the difference. Subscribe to Slim Sync Kitchen for more flavor-packed healthy recipes. Check out our Asian weight loss playlist for even more ideas. Stay passionate, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.